Hello guys, welcome to a new. I think this is actually going to be a short today. Okay, this is going to be very quick. We're going to test two different vehicles, see if they can get over this big hill. Okay, let's start. Here is our first car. Oh no! Ooh. Okay, let's move on to the next car. Here, okay, our next vehicle is a super bus. Okay, let's go. By the way, it does have rockets, but this will be using the We're going to the moon. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is not. Oh. Come on. Okay, see? Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.